Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the brand new iPhone 15. This is the latest and greatest from Apple, and it's packed with some amazing new features. Design and display. The iPhone 15 has a sleek new design that's both stylish and durable. It's made from a single piece of stainless steel, and it has a ceramic shield front cover that's incredibly scratch-resistant. The display is also top-notch. It's a 6.7-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2778 x 1284 pixels. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are inky, and the viewing angles are excellent. Performance. The iPhone 15 is powered by the new A16 Bionic chip. This is the fastest chip ever made by Apple, and it's capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just browsing the web, the iPhone 15 will keep up. Camera. The iPhone 15 has a triple-lens rear camera system that's capable of taking stunning photos and videos. The main lens is a 12MP sensor with f1, 6 aperture. The ultra-wide lens is a 12MP sensor with f2, 4 aperture. And the telephoto lens is a 12MP sensor with f2, 8 aperture and 3x optical zoom. The front-facing camera is also 12MP with f2, 2 aperture. Battery life. The iPhone 15 has a long-lasting battery that will easily get you through a full day of use. Even if you're a heavy user, you should be able to get at least 10 hours of screen on time. Software. The iPhone 15 runs iOS 16, the latest version of Apple's mobile operating system. iOS 16 is packed with new features, including a redesigned lock screen, improved notifications, and more powerful productivity tools. Conclusion. The iPhone 15 is the best iPhone yet. It has a sleek new design, a powerful A16 Bionic chip, a triple-lens rear camera system, and a long-lasting battery. If you're looking for the best smartphone on the market, the iPhone 15 is the one to get. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.